These are the upper door top pads for the Austin Healey BJ7 and BJ8 3000 models. They're identical, apart from normally the colour when they left the factory. The BJ7s, they would have been self-coloured to the main trim, i.e. red with red, whereas the BJ8s, they tended to use black regardless. So we have trimmed these up for a customer over in America. These have been done in magnolia vinyl. They look very nice. We can also offer in leather, and we would skive these down as standard if you ordered in leather to make them a bit easier to trim and neater to look at. So just bear that in mind. You can see this is a partially trimmed one. So you've got the metal frame, then you've got this shaped rubber, as you can see there, very shaped. So then you glue that on, then you trim them in this. Make sure you use a good contact adhesive to trim it, paste on stuff. We use Evo Stick Time Bond. It's a Bostik 3M product. So just check that. Don't use any sprays. They will not stand the test of time. This here, these two here are the left hands as you're sat in the car. Front of the car, top, bottom where the door panel is, and back. So effectively when it's in the car, it'd be like that. You have the ridge there. That's where you use to open the door effectively. On the back, you'll see trimmed all the way around though to the lip. You cut this edge flush, leave this flange here, that intertwines with a opening in the front of the door area, and you trim around the back there. So as you see, very nice job. The way we sell these, so metalwork is sold individually, as is the rubber. The actual material to recover the door tops, we can sell them as a car set, i.e. a pair of them individually, or they are automatically included as part of our trim panel kit. So bear that in mind. And obviously you can ask us to trim them before they leave the factory if you're getting the whole set, including the metalwork or rubber. If not, then you just have the materials and you do the retrimming of your original ones at your end. See our website for more details.